Now taking each yourself, Martin Chris. Right, I'm here to call out the winning number for the competition on the phone. So the first thing I'd ask you is, don't go anymore because the comp's closed. You have to the winning numbers here. Check your phones at hand, you ready? Okay guys, the winning number is PA119730. I didn't take it. I'll put it again, yeah? PA119730. Do we have a winner? We do. Where are you? Could you make your way around to the front here? I'll make sure that they let you back in when you finish. Please give a round of applause. Alright, I'm going to go back, get ready. Everyone's just about to come out. Have a wonderful show this evening.